how are you doing? I hope all of you are taking good care of yourselves. I thought, why don't we use this time to just pamper ourselves a little? I know everybody is worked out at home, and I know that a lot of ladies out there must be really missing their salon visits at this hour. So I've come up with DIY face packs that you can easily make by using some fresh ingredients from your own kitchen. Okay people, stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to share a special tip, something that you will thank me later for. This is my all-time favorite face pack and is one of the best ways to use up an overripe banana. So let's look at the ingredients. Multani Mitti. It deep cleanses your skin. You can replace this with besan or chickpea flour too. Curd helps to exfoliate your skin. Banana. It's full of amazing nutrients and it acts as a skin moisturizer and also helps reduce dark spots on the face. Honey opens up your skin pores to cleanse them and get rid of blackhead. So we start by taking a small portion of the banana and mashing it. Once the banana is mashed, take a spoon of each of these ingredients and add them to the same plate, but just see that you make a face pack which is not too thick nor too thin, and it should be with the right consistency that can stay on your face. Mix it all together. One of the things that I've kept in mind while coming up with this list of face packs is the availability of most of these ingredients, because due to the lockdown, getting out of the home and buying anything right now is a little difficult. Just wash your face and wipe it dry with a towel. Now I don't have a specific ritual to apply the face pack. I just like to dip my fingers in the pack and apply it all over, covering the face and the neck area. Leave it to dry and then you can wipe it off either by using water or you could use an ice cube. We all know the health benefits of including leafy vegetables in our diet, but we often tend to use only the tender leaves and stems in preparing our vegetables, and the harder stems are usually discarded. So my second face pack is actually prepared using such discarded stems. So this face pack is actually a best out of waste idea. You are going to need only 2 ingredients, Multani Mitti or besan, and a few stems of any leafy vegetable that you can find. I am using amaranth stems here. You start off by making small pieces of the stem and add them into your mixie jar. Add a little rose water or normal tap water is also fine, and grind this to a fine paste. Make sure you add only enough water to hold everything together. Too much water will make it runny. Once you have a paste of amaranth stems, add a few spoons of your base, that is Multani Mitti or besan, and mix it all together to get a fine consistency. And voila, your face pack is ready. Now again, the same drill. Always wash your face with water, wipe it, and then start applying the face pack. Usually I like to keep my face packs until they harden up, so for a good 45 minutes or so. So the final recipe is also a 2 ingredient face pack. You are going to need masoor dal that is soaked in water overnight and some curd. Masoor dal is known to exfoliate the skin, tighten the pores, brighten your skin and also remove tan. You can use sour curd if you don't have fresh curd available. Take the mixie jar, add the soaked masoor dal after draining out the water in which it was soaked. Grind this to a fine paste. You can add a few drops of water. Avoid adding too much water while making the paste, else it will get all soggy. Now take just a little curd and mix it with the ground masoor dal to form a paste with good consistency. And that's it. Your face pack is ready. Isn't that simple and easy to make? So here's the bonus tip that I promised you in the beginning. If you want that instant cooling effect on your skin after you apply the face packs, then a small tip is to keep your face pack in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes after you've prepared them and before you apply them. Trust me, there's nothing more refreshing than having that cold face pack on your face, especially to beat the Indian summers. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment section if you happen to try out any of these recipes. Like always, remember to like, share and subscribe. This is Devki from Dee's Planet signing off. Bye bye.